Welcome! If you want to boost engagement on your Instagram stories and connect with your audience directly from your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest Instagram update that lets you enable replies to your stories using the desktop app. This is a great way to make your content more interactive and build a stronger community with your followers. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the left side menu. Here, you'll see a More icon. This usually appears as 3 horizontal dots or a similar symbol depending on your layout. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you can personalize your Instagram experience and control how people interact with your content. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Message and Story Replies. This section is key for managing who can respond to your stories and how those interactions are handled. Next, enter the Story Replies option. Here, you'll see different choices for who can reply to your stories. For most users who want to encourage genuine engagement while maintaining some privacy, selecting Followers is the best option. This means only people who follow you will be able to reply to your stories, helping you keep conversations relevant and meaningful. Once you've made your selection, your changes are saved automatically. That's all it takes. Now your followers can reply directly to your stories, making your Instagram presence more dynamic and interactive. By enabling story replies, you're opening the door to more conversation, feedback, and community building on your profile. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how you connect with your audience. Thanks for tuning in. Try out these steps today and see how your engagement grows.